Alright, so I am hiking in the Lost Creek Wilderness at the Goose Creek Trail. It is super nice out right now. Not too hot, not too cold. So I'm really excited. So let's see where we go. Well, the trail so far has been pretty much constantly up. Not too bad though. I'm hearing thunder around, but nothing too close to me, which is nice. So maybe about 4.5 miles in. We got some pretty great views over here. I came from down there. So yeah, this is spectacular up here. Happy I came up. Well, made it up to a top. This might end up being my summit, but it is so awesome up here. Wow, these rocks are just so different than what I'm used to in Colorado. It's crazy. Alright, well I had a lot of fun hanging out on the rocks, but I think it's probably time to head down. Looks like we got some more storms rolling in. Awesome. Awesome. Bye, rocks. Alright, made it back to the trail, but I'm feeling pretty tired. I don't think I'm going to go the extra about a mile up to where it tees with the McCready Trail, so I think I'm about ready to head down. So let's do that. That was a good break, but it's time to make my way down. Sun's about to go. It'll get dark quick, so let's go. Alright, well, since the sun's going down fast and I'm almost back to the car, I think I'm gonna end it here. Really great hike. This area is amazing. Definitely recommend it. Thanks. Bye.